Hello and welcome, Jonathan here. In this video I'm going to answer someone's question about using a playlist inside of EverLesson. Now for simplicity I'm just going to use YouTube here, but it will potentially work with other players as well, providing they give you a form of embed code. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to YouTube here, and then I'm going to go to the right hand side here where I'm already logged in, and I'm going to go to my channel. I'll just wait for that to load, and what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to make a very simple playlist with just 2 videos. You can of course have more, but that's what I'm going to do for this example. So I'll pick this video, which is one that I actually made yesterday, and I'll just stop that playing. And what you need to do, you need to come down here and you're looking for this add to, which, as you'll see when I click it, enables you to add it to any of these playlists. So you can obviously add it to more than one playlist if you want to, or you can create a new one. So I'll just call it a name. As you can see, you can have up to 150 videos on your playlist. So I'll just call this jot form. And I do want it public, but you do have options. Okay, so I'll set this as public, and then I click on create. So now I should be able to go back in here and just double check that I have jot form selected. So if I now go back to this page, and I'll go on to this video, which is the second video I did for jot form. So again, now that should just stop that video, should appear in this list here, and I can just tick jot form, and you can see it said on here that it was added to the playlist. So that is my playlist done, but say I can come back here into any more of my videos and just add those to the list if I wanted to do so. So that's the first part of it, but now let's go on my actual playlist here, and you'll see this is the one that I just did. So if I click on where it says jot form, and I'll just stop this from playing, and you can see we have the 2 videos here. I'm now going to select it in here. So here we have the playlist settings. If you want to change these in here, like from public to unlisted or private. If you do want to be able to embed it, make sure you have that ticked. And if you want to change the order of the videos, you can do it in here, as well as the option to drag and drop them. This will be in here to define rules to add them to the playlist, so you can actually get these to be automatically added as you create the videos if you wish to do so. So yes, I'm going to go into share here now, and I want the embed code, so I'm just going to copy that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just very quickly create a new module after I've logged into EverLesson. So let's just log in here and just wait for that to load up, and wait for this page to load, and then I'm going to actually select this particular membership site in the top left hand corner. Right, so now I can get in there, so I'll click to edit, and that will take me inside of my membership pages. So I'm just going to add a new video here, which of course will add it down the bottom, but that will be fine for what I want to show here. And then I'm going to go down this one here and as playlist, and I will save it. Just wait for this to load. And now I could have added this just as a content module rather than as a video module, because I want to actually add my playlist code into the long description. So I'll click that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the button here that says source, wait for that to load, and then I'm just going to paste this in, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, now I think on this page it's going to look really big, but when we actually view it inside the membership site, then it should be okay. Now the other thing I need to make sure I've done here, of course, is given access to my package or packages inside of the membership. So now when I log in, we'll see what we get. I'll just go back to my products page. I'll choose this product here and click on the Start Now, wait for the page to load, and then I'm going to scroll right the way down to the bottom to this playlist here, and now you can see, if you look closely, that I actually have my playlist here. If I want to select it, I just click, and then the videos will appear in here, or they'll just play on from one to the next to the next. So that's how you set up your playlist inside of EverLesson using YouTube. Thanks and bye for now.